This wall used to be plain and boring, so I decided to give it a complete garden makeover, all by myself. First, I wiped down the wall to make sure it was clean and free of dust. Then I measured the height of my wall and cut the first strip, leaving a few extra inches on both ends to trim later. I started by aligning it with the corner of the wall to make sure it stayed straight. Then I peeled just the top part of the backing paper, pressed it firmly with a smoothing tool, and worked my way down, peeling and smoothing at the same time to avoid bubbles. For the next strip, I made sure to match the pattern perfectly with the previous one before cutting. Once it was aligned, I repeated the same process. Peel, smooth, and press. When everything was in place, I trimmed the excess on the top and bottom using a plastic tool and a sharp blade for clean, straight edges. Since the weather can get cooler, I also used a hairdryer on low heat over the wallpaper to help improve the stickiness. It really helps it stay firmly in place. And if anyone is still worried about peeling, you can add a small amount of extra glue for even stronger adhesion. And here's how it turned out. It completely transformed the space, and it gives such a cozy, natural vibe. It's also waterproof and very easy to clean. A quick wipe and it looks brand new again. The material feels sturdy and thick, nothing flimsy. If you're looking for an easy DIY project that instantly brightens up your space, this wallpaper is definitely worth it.